Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show how a DEO can claim NBOCWWB life insurance scheme. Before you proceed, make sure to have the following documents. Refer the document checklist. This is a brief overview of the process. First, DEO apply the claim. Secondly, ALC will verify the claim. Now the claim application will be received by the board office. And board will validate and approve accordingly, if claim is found to be valid. Finally, the payment will be disbursed to the beneficiary. Generally, there are 3 steps involved in this claim. Refer the steps as shown in the screen. Let's begin with the first step. Go to the beneficiary lists and select the beneficiary, for which you wish to initiate the claim as shown in the screen. From the options, click Edit. And navigate to Deceased tab. Enter the deceased date and upload the document as per requirements. Once the deceased status is successfully updated, you will receive a successful confirmation message. Step 2 will be updating the nominee bank details. Navigate to the Nominee tab. Select the nominee from the list and go to Options and click on Edit. Please make sure all necessary documents of the nominee is updated accordingly, to avoid any rejection of the claim. You can check the Add Bank Account and update it accordingly. Upload nominee bank passbook. Once all this are done, click on Update button to submit it. Third step is to apply the claim. Navigate to Claims and select the claim name from the list. Enter the beneficiary registration number and click on Go button to validate and check the eligibility. If the beneficiary is eligible for the claim, it will redirect to the next page. You can now upload all the required documents as shown in the screen and enter appropriate remarks for the claim. Select the nominee from the list who will be receiving the funds. On completion, click on Submit button too. On successful submission, you will be redirected to the next page with a confirmation message and a claim ID. That's it. This is how a DEO can apply for a NBOCWWB life insurance scheme. The next process will be verify from ALC level and forward the claim application to board office for final approval. Thank you.